So code conversion is nothing but you will be converting one code to another code. You will be converting one code to another code. The types of codes, namely the weighted code and the non-weighted code, people have come up with many codes to safeguard the data. Okay, to safeguard your data. So these codes we have seen in unit number 1. Namely, your some of the examples of weighted codes are your normal decimal number code and your binary code, okay, and then XS3 code like that, and you may even have non-weighted code like gray codes, okay, gray code. So how to convert from one codes to another code? How to convert from one code to another code? That is what will be done in code conversion. That is what will be done in code conversion. As a first example, let me take binary to gray code. Okay, let me take binary to gray code. Binary, we will go ahead with 4 bits. We'll be dealing with 4 bits, namely binary, the least significant bit B1, B2, B3, and B4. Okay, B1, B0, B1, B2, and B3. Okay, 4 bits. Let me start with 0 itself. And similarly, the gray code output is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the binary number we know from 0 to 15 we know what is the equivalent binary for the decimal 0 to 15, namely from 0000, 0001 and 1011, 100, 101, 110, 111 and 1000, and then it goes on and on up to 1111. Okay, gray code we know. What is gray code? Only there will be only one bit change. There will be only one bit change between your subsequent binary and the gray code. There will be only subsequent change. Let us frame the truth table first. Later we will develop. Okay. So first 0 will be represented as such as like your binary 0, 0, 0 and 0. Okay. 0, 0, 0 and 0. And then again this is also same. 1 is also same as gray 1 and the binary input 1 is same. Whereas for the 2, this is 2, right? 2 is nothing but 0, 0, 1, 0 in binary. If I make it 1 here, only 1 bit subsequent changes allowed, keep that in mind. If I make this 1 and if I change this 0, then I'm making 2 bit subsequent changes. That is not allowed in gray code. Okay. So this will be ruled. Only 1 bit is changed. So this will be 2 will be equivalent to 0, 0, 1 and 1. 0, 0, 1 and 1. Okay. And then now 3 will be equivalent to make this 0. Okay, only 1 bit change. Then make it 0. So 3 will be equivalent to 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, 0, 0, 1, 0. Like this. Okay. Right. So this is 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. 0, 1, 0, 0. Subsequently, only 1 bit will be changed. I cannot, if I change this bit from the LSB, let me start from here. If I change this bit, this is changed. So this is equivalent to 1, 1 here. So I won't do this. So I'll keep this as such, keep this as such, change this. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. That is equivalent to 4. Okay. Like that, fill this table. Try to fill this table. Try to fill this table. Is it okay? So now keep in mind this is the input for us. Okay. This is the output for us. How many outputs we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many K maps we need? 4. I need to look out for each column. Okay. So G3 will be one output, G2 will be one output, G1 will be one output, G0 will be another output. Okay. After framing the truth table, you have to go ahead with the K-map. You have to go ahead with the K-map. Please fill this and come back for the next class. We'll just continue. Or even I can go ahead. So see here for the G3 from 5, 6, 7, 8. From 8 to 15. Okay, for G3, from min term 8 to 15, your output is 1. That is what I have mentioned here. And for G2, for the min term from 4 to 9, 10, 11, 11. 4 to 11, right. Min term from 4 to 11, this is 1. Output is 1. Okay. And then for G1, you have from 2 to 5. 2 to 5, one set. And then this set is from 10 to 13. Okay. 10 to 13. Come ahead with G0. G0 will be intermittent. 1, 2, and 5, 6, and then 9, 10, and then 13, 14. Okay. So we know which is 1. We have, I have done. I have consolidated here and I have wrote. So G3 from M8 to M14. That is what I have written. M8 to M15. Right. 8 to 15. This is 1. Okay, this is 1 I have filled up. It's a 4K map. So B3, B2, B1, B0 is the input. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. As I said, K map will follow only the gray code change. Okay, only one bit change. So combine this. If I combine all the bits at the time, okay, so which is common here? So this here all the column bits are changing. Mainly B1 and B0 is changing. Here B2 is changing. Whichever is left is B3. So G3 is equal to B3. G3 is equal to B3. And similarly for G2, if I make M4 to M11 as 1, M4 to M11 is 1. So this is 4, 5, 7, 6, and then 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is how we will be combining. Only 4-bit combination is possible here, which is common 0, 1. So B3 bar, B2, and this one B3 and 2, B2 bar. So if you look at this, this is an XOR. So B3 XOR B2, B3 XOR B2 for your G2. Okay. The next thing is, again you can from the consolidated ones, you just fill up this G1. Okay, G1. Okay, you can make this green color one is the combination 1. Okay, 1. And whereas I can fold this, assume this as a paper, fold from upside down. These two ones and the lower two ones can be combined as 4 ones. After combining, I can write it as, okay, I can write it as B2 B1 bar for the first case, B2 bar B1 for the second case. So again it's an XOR, so B2 XOR B1. Okay, for the G0, again because you have alternate ones, right? You fill this up, okay, fill this up 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then check, combine. Okay, again this is B1 XOR B0, B1 XOR B0. So now let us implement all this G0, G1, G2, G3 in the gates, using gates. So we need 3 XOR gates. One is B3 XOR B2, B2 XOR B1, B1 XOR B0, and we need one thing is G3 and B3. So directly I can take from B3, directly I can even take, okay, instead of using an NOT gate. I have used a NOT gate. This is the logic circuit implementation for binary to gray code conversion. Okay. So with this I'll stop today.